Excellencies, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. It gives me a great pleasure to be with you today. Allow me at the outset to extend my deepest gratitude for inviting me to address this distinguished gathering. I also wish to thank our Chinese host for their excellent arrangement for this timely, important meeting. I have already selected the title for my brief intervention. The title is Why Belt and Road Initiative, or why BRI. Ladies and gentlemen, the humanity is facing a dangerous health threat, translated to severe economic crisis, affecting and will affect all of us because we are connected and we will remain connected. To handle this crisis, there should be a global orchestrated mechanism based on, one, a fundamental concept to stimulate global cooperation. Two, a platform for systemizing global cooperation, capable of fighting the current pandemic, improving global public health governance, and stabilizing world economy. In the remaining part of this speech, I will illustrate how the BRI satisfies the above requirements. BRI and the fundamental concept. The basic concept, namely building a community of shared future for humankind, is a basic component of BRI's hard and soft activities. It was reaffirmed and elevated to strategic level of China's future diplomacy during the 19th National Congress of CPC. Also, this concept was recognized internationally during the 2018 United Nations General Assembly. BRI as a platform for international cooperation. BRI has been successfully transformed from China's initiative and has become a global initiative, and currently joined by more than 160 countries and international organizations, thus offering a platform for countries to conduct cooperation and take joint efforts to develop economies. BRI as an international cooperation platform is based on hard and soft connectivity through the following 5 priorities: policy connectivity, facilities connectivity, investment and connectivity, financial connectivity, people-to-people connectivity. I believe that these connectivity priorities, if properly adopted, can play a vital role in stabilizing world economy and consequently social coherence. BRI and health. BRI as a global platform contains several sub-platforms, both thematic and regional. Thematic sub-platforms include, but not limited to, Digital Silk Road, Green Silk Road, Innovation Silk Road, and Health Silk Road. Of course, today I will briefly talk about Health Silk Road as we all facing a global health threat. In the most detailed description of the BRI and Road Initiative, or BRI, by the Chinese National Development and Reform Commission, titled Vision and Actions on Jointly Building Belt and Road, published in March 2015. One can read the following: we should strengthen cooperation with neighboring countries on epidemic information sharing, the exchange of prevention and treatment technologies, and the training of medical professionals, and improve our capability to jointly address public health emergencies. Also in the Belt and Road high-level meeting for health cooperation titled Towards the Health Silk Road, held in 2017 in Beijing, at the end of which participating 64 countries signed Health Silk Road Communique. Therefore, BRI is and can always be a major vector for health cooperation and enhancing the global public health governance as well. BRI and comprehensive regional development plans. BRI contains several regional sub-platforms, including, but not limited to, China European countries, China Arab countries, China Latin American countries, China Oceania countries, and China and African countries. Let me talk briefly about Africa. A model plan for the BRI-based application of the concept of building a community with shared future for humankind was professionally presented by President Xi in his speech during the China-Africa Cooperation Summit, known as FUCAC. Among other important issues, he presented the cooperation plan, including 8 initiatives covering political, economic, social, environment, security, and cultural aspects. The 8 major initiatives are: 1. Industrial Promotion Initiative, by upgrading a number of economic and trade cooperation zones in Africa. Infrastructure Connectivity Initiative, by formulating a China-Africa Infrastructure Cooperation Plan with the African Union. A Trade Facilitation Initiative, by increasing imports, particularly non-resource products, from Africa and implementing trade facilitation programs for Africa. 4. A Green Development Initiative, by undertaking projects for green development and ecological and environmental protection in Africa. 5. A Capacity Building Initiative, by supporting cooperation with Africa on economic and social development planning. A Healthcare Initiative, by upgrading medical and health aid programs for Africa, particularly flagship projects such as the headquarters of the African Center for Disease Control and Prevention and China-Africa Friendship Hospitals. 7. A people-to-people exchange initiative, by establishing an Institute of African Studies to enhance exchanges with Africa. And number 8, a Peace and Security Initiative, by setting up a China-Africa Peace and Security Fund to boost cooperation on peace, security, peacekeeping, and law order. Ladies and gentlemen, I tried through my talk to indicate that maximizing the available mechanism, namely BRI and its associated platforms, is an appropriate selection to fight current epidemic, enhance global public health governance, and stabilize global economy. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, we have great challenges, but also we have great opportunities. We have to react wisely and collectively with appropriate cooperation plans and exchange of ideas. Thank you very much.